Hey everybody, it's Yoyofinds. Well, I'm back, okay? We got a new Dollar Tree open in my neighborhood, and you know how that is. Girls got to get there, right? Well, if you like these types of videos, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, share them with your friends. Hey, if you're new here, stopping in, seeing what a girl's all about, please consider hitting the subscribe button, turn on the all notification, and I'll see you at the end of the same line. Bye-byes. Enjoy. Knock, knock. Hey, girls. Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree. Well, girls, if you like these types of videos, give me a thumbs up. There's still a store down the street, but now there's one even closer to my house. So I thought I'd take you over here, let you see what they got going on, okay? Now you want to tell Miss Yo-Yo what it is that you get at the Dollar Tree. That's what I'm trying to find out. I'm going to tell you as I go through the store the things that I come to the Dollar Tree for, but I want to find out from you, what do you come to the Dollar Tree for? Leave a comment below and let me know, because every girl go to the Dollar Tree for something, okay? I come here, I get some office supply things. I'm not going to even kid you, okay? I do come for some stickers. You know, come here sometimes in a rush. I might need something and run over here. You know, you can always get some scissors. You can always get some Post-it notes, that kind of thing. But my sister has me down here in the teacher section, get her those big rolls of stickers. She likes to give those to her kids. She's an early education teacher, so she likes to give her kids little stickers when they do good things. So I thought that's my little contribution to her class every month. So that's one of the things. Now here's some more stickers down here. Okay, I'm gonna let you just watch. I may get kind of quiet every now and then, so that way I'm just gonna let some music play, and you just enjoy the ride, okay? But I want to find out from you what it is that you get from the Dollar Tree. Maybe you don't go to the Dollar Tree. Maybe you don't have a Dollar Tree. What do you get at your dollar store? Okay, here's the arts and crafts section right here. And also, let me show you know if there's something you're looking for. You know, that's what I do. I'm a finder. So if my girls are out there looking for anything, I always like to keep an eye out for them. And this craft section is packed. Okay, now here's a section that I go to quite frequently. I come over here, I get cold medicine. I always get my nasal spray here. They always get these Vicks cough drops. I get a couple of boxes of those. I've given everybody in my family a box when they come to my house. I got so many. The emergencies, okay, keep those. I keep those at work. So, you know, when I don't start, I feel like I'm coming down with something, I pop those real quick right there. And these little roll-on aromatherapies, yep, I have a couple of those in my bathroom right now. So they have peppermint, they have lavender. Hey, if you like these types of video, will you please give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe. There's the peppermint one. There's my nasal spray. Halls. Yes, I get my halls here too. They also have a 2-pack of masks. I keep the disposable masks in my car door. So one day I ran to Joanne's girl, got out the car and didn't have a mask. I was like, oh my goodness. So I ended up having extra masks in my door, and I went and put it on. I keep some in the car. I told my sister, if somebody gets in the car, they're going to get a ride from you and they don't have a mask, you make sure you throw a mask at them. So we keep them in the car. Those are perfect for just sticking them in your door. So they've got, you know, nail supplies here. They got, I know they got the press-on nails here. They got the eyelashes. They got fingernail polish here. So if you're looking for any of that, they've got it here. And they got some Wet n Wild here, which is a name brand. A little storage containers here for your makeup. You can't go wrong at the Dollar Tree, I'm going to be honest with you. So I come here for a lot of household supplies, and I'll show you some of the things that I pick up on the regular. One of the things I didn't get a chance to see, I don't think they had it. They had it, it was in a small container, but I always buy the Awesome, but they only had the small jar. I like to get the big ones. See the eyelashes? Look at all that lusciousness. Oh. Now, here we go over here. This is the baby supply area. This right here, at Christmas time, our planner group used to ask us to donate supplies for like a women's shelter with children. And I would come here in the Dollar Tree and get a whole bunch of stuff, bibs and wipes and, you know, the Vaseline, pacifiers, just a whole bunch of things, and just I would go and I would donate it to them, and they would take it into the shelter. So if that's something you do every year, this is a great place to stock up on things like that. You just can't go wrong. Here's one of my favorite aisles, the snack aisle. Okay, this snack aisle is huge. Okay, it is huge. they got it up in here. On the days when I'm at work and my boss is out of town, I'm in the office all week by myself or a couple of days by myself, and I know I won't be able to get out for lunch. I always come here and stock up on snacks. Get a couple of drinks, so that way at least if I can't get out, I can get some kind of snack during the day. And I mean, they got like name brand snacks up in here too, so don't be fooled by that. Cheez-Its, okay? They have Nabisco items in here. Look at this Post, the honey brands of oats. So if you're looking for any kind of like any little breakfast items here, look at the Welch's fruit snacks. I love my bugles. And those Lance crackers right there, yeah, I get those from here too. Oreos, now these I had not seen before, okay? But that right there, that's a good little find right there. Some dips down here, chips, pretzels, popcorn, Cracker Jacks. I ain't seen Cracker Jacks in forever. That's some old school stuff there. Look at all that. Look at all of that. Now here's another thing I do come to the Dollar Tree for. I get my Lady Speed Stick here. They're small enough that I usually buy like 2 at a time. I keep them in my drawer, so like if we have a house guest and my sister comes to visit from out of town or a friend comes, I have extra deodorant. Tell them don't bring a toothbrush, don't bring a toothpaste, and don't bring deodorant. I got you covered, okay? So this right here is one of those places that we just get it and we stock it in our house. So if we have house guests, we've got things like that for them to already, use at our house. You got armbands here. They have the widest variety of crossword puzzles, any kind of puzzles you're looking for. The children's books here are out of this world. So if you're looking for any kind of children's books, you might want to check out the Dollar Tree. Look at these gift boxes, gift boxes, gift boxes. This is so funny because I just bought some gift boxes, a whole bunch of them that I was looking at in the closet like yesterday. This is Party Central right here. If you're planning a party, you need to go to the Dollar Tree to get your accessories, your balloons, any kind of plasticware you need. They've got plastic cups, plastic forks. A fork set, I think it's 48 pieces of forks and knives and spoons that are $1. Okay, balloons, packs of balloons here. Just remember, they have balloons up front that they blow up for you, and they're $1. Okay, helium balloons for $1 here. So nothing against Party City, but you shouldn't be paying more than $1. So here's a whole aisle, and it actually goes around on the other side. So if you're looking for anything for a baby shower or for a birthday party, you need to definitely check out the Dollar Tree for any kind of accessories for that. Look at this, the baby shower stuff down here. Look at all those forks. Look at the plastic cups. There's six cups to those short cups. There's 6 to that set of $1. Okay, planning a baby shower, there we go. Need a tablecloth, need a banner, need some ribbon. Okay, now here's the place I come to. These sponges, when they don't have the small sponges, I get the big ones and I cut them in half. Just a little thought there. So if you ever get a big sponge, you're like, well, I don't need a big sponge. Just take scissors, cut them in half. Then you get 2 for 1. So I come here and get my rubber gloves here, my sponges here. Just a lot of household cleaning products here that I need. Like these heavy duty ones here, they're big. Cut them in half. There's 5 in a pack, you get 10. So there's a 2-pack right there, that's small ones. But sometimes I come in here and they don't have any small ones, so I just get the big ones and cut them. So if you're looking at any kind of sponges, dusters, dust rags. You can, cloths you can use up here. Here's a cleaning cloth right here, cleaning towel right there. The heavy duty rubber gloves. They have the latex gloves. Here's some hot plates. Very nice. I've not seen these round ones in the back there, and I've not seen this pattern right here at all. So that is where that blue right there is beautiful. You got some clear ones. That is nice. If you need any baking pans for the holidays, for Thanksgiving, Christmas, here. Okay. If someone's getting a grill at Christmas and you want to stock them up with all the supplies, the Dollar Tree is the place. Here's some chargers. They got them in silver and in gold. So if you're doing like a nice layout for Thanksgiving or Christmas table setup, that would be perfect. The dishware in here is nice. It's heavy dishware. And I want you to know, I saw these last year, those gold chargers like that, plain just like that, at Michael's, and they had them on clearance, and even on clearance they were like $2.59 or $2.49 or something like that. And the dishware here, solid, heavy dishware. Look at that. That's beautiful for Thanksgiving. They've got the glassware that goes with it. They got the coffee cups that go with it, the bowls. You can get somebody a whole setup as a gift here. The whole setup. Hey everybody, it's Yo-Yo. Well, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. What is it that you come to the Dollar Tree for? Don't forget, leave your comment below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also, if you want to see more videos like this, you can check out below. And also, don't forget to check me out on Facebook and Instagram at Yoyofinds. Hey, did you hit that subscribe button? I'll wait. Okay. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.